Welcome to an overview of Chorus Call's Companion. This video will illustrate how to set up and perform an assisted video conference. Please note that an account will have to be set up in advance to participate in an assisted conference. For more information, contact a Chorus Call account executive at 1-412-858-1390. There is also a separate tutorial that describes how to use Companion for an unassisted on-demand conference. Before you begin, please be sure that a webcam and microphone are properly connected to your computer. You will also want to have a set of headphones or earbuds available to prevent echo feedback. Once the hardware is connected, double-click on the Companion shortcut located on the desktop. A login dialog will open. Enter the username, password, and PWS IP address provided. Then click Login. When the program loads, you should now be able to see yourself in the program window. The first time you use Companion, click on the Settings button. Under the Options tab, make sure that Enable H.460, Auto Answer, and Auto Answer Muted are all checked. Note that the display name can be edited. The network group and signaling IP settings should respectively be listed as Companion and Use Any as set in the program installation. If they are not, they may be changed now. Select Apply to save your settings. Under the Device Options tab, the webcam and microphone should automatically be populated in the Device Selection field. If the devices are not shown, make sure the device software is installed and up to date, and also ensure that all cables are connected properly. To maintain acceptable audio quality, select Cancel My Echo and Cancel Others Echo. There is also a microphone volume bar. Users can increase or decrease the volume of their broadcast sound. After adjusting the slider to the desired level, click Save to lock in the volume level. The Connection Settings tab contains bandwidth options. If you have a high-definition camera and suitable bandwidth, such as a T1 or cable connection, please select the following. The default connection rate should be set to 1024. The maximum presentation rate should be listed as 384. H.239 should also be enabled. All video and audio codec options should be selected. The maximum frame rate under Video Settings should be set to 30 frames per second. The video resolution should be set to HD 720p, and Enable HD should be checked. If you have a high-definition or standard-definition camera with limited bandwidth, such as DSL or dial-up, please select the following. The default connection rate should be set to 384. The maximum presentation rate should be listed as 128. H.239 should be enabled. All video and audio codec options should be selected. The maximum frame rate under Video Settings should be set to 15 frames per second. The video resolution should be set to CIF. Enable HD should be unchecked. Chorus Call recommends performing a speed test on your PC before making initial connections. Please note that all of these settings represent the best configuration for a properly powered PC. If hardware limitations exist, these options may need to be modified to suit your computer's processing power. Finally, under the PWS Settings tab, the PWS IP address should be 12.44.18.60 as in the program installation. If not, this can be modified at any time. The username and password fields are used to log into Companion with an alternate username and password. When all options are set properly, close out of the Companion Settings window. Remember, before placing a video conferencing call, please use headphones or earbuds to minimize echo. To perform an assisted video conference, select the Assisted Radio button. Click Connect. After a moment, you will be connected to a video conferencing specialist who will join you to the appropriate conference. Users will notice a volume control slider, a speaker button, and a microphone button below the webcam viewer. To increase or decrease your speaker volume, move the volume slider to the desired level. To mute incoming audio, click the speaker button. To mute your own microphone, click the microphone button. Click the buttons again to unmute. To see the conference in a larger window, click on Video, then Separate Video Window. You can also achieve this by double-clicking on the video in the main companion window. The resulting larger window can be adjusted for size and can also be maximized to full screen. At the bottom of this window there are audio controls. To mute the connected site's audio, click the speaker button. If you wish to mute yourself, select the microphone button. In addition to this feature, users have the ability to see their own video image. On the main companion window, select Video, then Start Self View. A large window will appear and you should be able to see yourself. This window can also be adjusted to suit specific needs. Thank you for viewing the assisted conference tutorial for Chorus Call's Companion.